Hi, I'm Eliano, a product designer and the co-founder of On Materia, creator of the Green Box. The Green Box is a circular amenity kit for hotel bathrooms designed to tackle plastic waste in the hospitality industry. You know those mini bottles of shampoo and cotton pads and disposable toothbrushes? Well, as charming as they are thrown away in millions every year by the hotel industry. Those single-use items are made of very long-lasting plastics and often end up in our oceans. Did you know that 200 kilos of plastics end up in our oceans every minute? Plastic pollution has been an ongoing interest of us, so we wanted to see if there was another way where we could design those toiletries to be more sustainable and circular. We designed every item of the Green Box to be made of biosourced, biodegradable and compostable material that would enable us to fit it in a circular business model. Biodegradable plastics can be industrially composted in a controlled environment and organically recycled. At its end of life, we will be left with soil and biogas that will create green energy. Creating more sustainable and circular products is a step in the right direction. But we also think that as designers, we have a responsibility to educate about new materials and better practices. That is why we took the Green Box even further, creating something that would raise awareness about new types of plastics and showing them at work. Each hotel room would have its own disposable bin that would show the need and familiarize guests with new kind of waste stream and allow them to sort materials from compostable to non-compostable themselves. The simple and clear design makes the process and its benefits easy to understand and right at home in a hotel room. The hospitality industry has a chance to totally reinvent itself post-COVID-19, and sustainability should be at the heart of what business do. As the Green Box shows, you don't have to make big changes to have a big impact. Something as small as an amenity kit can really make a difference.